Y'all just gonna stand there? Give me a wrench. Dude, seriously?
He said wrench, not ranch. You must be hungry.
I am. What y'all gonna order?
I don't know about y'all, but I just did a play action with DoorDash.
Man, you didn't ask if we wanted anything?
Only had 500 on me. $7 on food, 490 on the Niners.
I don't believe you.
Just ask my bookie.
I just want to know how long he's been sitting there.
He been here since last night. I'm trying to get paid instantly.
You good?
You good?
Good luck tonight.
Yeah. Good luck to y'all.
Thanks for the tip.
I got another tip for you. Stay off my lawn. You stay out of this.
Whoa. I wouldn't do that if I were you.
Kansas City Chiefs. Back-to-back Super Bowl champions. Yeah, they got a ring to it.
Don't trust DoorDash, trust Ring Doorbell.